August 23rd marked another police shooting of a 29-year-old African-American man, Jacob Blake. Blake was shot at 7 times and hit by 4 bullets. He survived the shooting, but is paralyzed from the waist down. Many athletes and sports teams are taking a stand against these shootings. Let's now hear from the NBA star, LeBron James.
I know people get tired of hearing me say it, but we are scared as Black people in America. Black men, Black women, Black kids, we are terrified. If you're sitting here telling me that there was no way to subdue that gentleman, or detain him, or to just before the firing of guns, then you sitting here and you lying to not only me, you lying to every African American, every Black person in the community, because we see it over and over and over.
Immediately following Jacob Blake's shooting, NBA team the Milwaukee Bucks organized a boycott that prompted the NBA to postpone all playoff games for that day. Major League Baseball and hockey also protested games, but the NBA and its players have been key to spreading awareness and enacting change. All NBA courts have Black Lives Matter painted on them, and players get to choose from different social justice messages to display on their jerseys, such as "How many more?", "Justice now," and "Vote." Speaking of voting, the NBA recently announced that all league-owned stadiums will be turned into voting sites for the election on November 3rd to make sure more people get to share their voice. Additionally, LeBron himself recently launched an organization called More Than a Vote, which brings together prominent Black athletes and artists with a common goal: fighting against voter suppression and lifting Black voices. But let's hear from LeBron himself about it.
As a community, we really want change, and it doesn't not only just end in November, but it starts there. And but we got to continue to still keep our foot on the pedal. Then, even if we get what we want, we still need more. What are we getting? Because right now, of what's going on is just not okay. And but I hope I can continue to uplift my community, uplift communities all over America, uplift the Black community. Like I said, that's part of the reason why I started More Than a Vote, to, just to get people to understand how important our voices are.
Props to LeBron and other athletes for using their platform to stand up for what they think is right. But you don't have to be King James to stand up for what you believe in. No voice is too small to be heard, and voting is an important way to create that change.